We are rearranging our backyard garden. Two of our beds been moved about a month ago, 2 months ago, and you can see the weeds are trying to come through. I'm at the hand pick all those out. I'm going to lay some more cardboard down. We weren't going to put a garden here, but now I think this is probably where we're going to put the corn, because where I had the corn before, um, it was too close, I think, up to the house, and then some rabbits and other animals came and ate it. So hopefully it'll do better back here. I'm hoping it's not too close to my neighbors. They love to jump my fence. And then also, I think I'm just going to put um, a winter garden in here, some squash, zucchini, but definitely where I did a no-mow May, seeds have gotten in there. I'm going to hand take those out. What you do is you wet a towel and you go like this and it picks up the seeds. That's what I mean by hand take it out. And that way it'll be clear of any seeds. And I think this is where we're going to put our 3 boxes of potatoes. And in this back row, my asparagus beans. So we're going to be doing that now. I don't know why I decided I wanted to move everything, but now I want it back. It is what it is. All right. Talk to you later.